Starting a fire outdoors or indoors can be a challenge without the right tools. Meet the DoubleTree Fire Starter Sticks, made from 100% natural cedar wood, offering a quick and easy way to ignite a fire. Hand-cut from downed cedar trees, these sticks provide rapid ignition with just 3 pieces, making them perfect for campfires, grilling, and fire pits. Their natural resin ensures a clean, aromatic burn, unlike other fire starters that produce black smoke. Sustainably harvested and kiln-dried, they are environmentally friendly and emit a pleasant cedar smell. These fire starter sticks are the most important tool for simple and secure fire starting, and they are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. When it comes to camping or road trips, comfort is key for a restful night's sleep. The Hike-N-Ture self-inflating sleeping pad is designed for ultimate relaxation, especially for Tesla Model Y owners. This ultra-thick camping mattress offers an R value of 13 for year-round use, providing both insulation and support. The patented double-sided valve makes inflation and deflation quick and easy, taking just 40 seconds to self-inflate for instant comfort. Perfect for car camping, it can be adjusted to your preferred firmness with its dual-purpose carry bag that doubles as a pump sack. Made from PVC-free fabric, this environmentally friendly sleeping pad promises durability and sustainability for all your adventures. For those who love outdoor adventures, staying clean while camping or hiking is essential. Introducing the BTOG Camping Shower, a portable, compact solution for all your showering needs. Powered by an 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides a maximum water pressure of 6 liters per minute and has customizable settings for different pressure levels. You can choose from 3 spray modes to adjust the flow based on your preference, making it versatile for various outdoor situations. The intelligent digital display lets you monitor battery levels and water temperature, while the built-in water filtration ensures clean and safe water. This shower is ideal for camping, hiking, and more, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. A reliable portable solution is essential for keeping food and drinks cool on outdoor adventures. Introducing the Tuguen Insulated Cooler Backpack, a lightweight and durable option designed for all your outdoor needs. Its large main compartment can hold 38 to 42 cans and keep everything fresh for up to 6 hours. The double-deck design ensures organization, while the waterproof zipper and leak-proof seams prevent spills. This versatile backpack also includes a portable bottle opener, side pockets for easy access, and a front zipper bag for additional storage. Perfect for picnics, beach days, hiking, and more. It combines practicality with comfort for any adventure. When camping or hiking, a reliable and comfortable hammock is essential for rest. The One Tigress camping hammock offers the perfect solution, with a lightweight design weighing only 2 pounds. Made with durable 210T nylon taffeta, it features a zippable internal cover that keeps warmth in, preventing frost from forming during cold nights. The hammock also includes tree-friendly straps, a daisy chain strap for easy setup, and a stuff sack for portability. YKK zippers and elasticated side ropes ensure a comfortable experience, whether you're backpacking, camping, or just relaxing in your backyard. Additionally, its adjustable ridgeline and lantern attach point enhance functionality for any adventure.